are in the back of the van now. This is what we call our garage. So you'll see it's super spacious back here. This is what we're going to turn into our kids' room eventually. And we have so much space back here. So again, this is the bed. This is what you guys saw from the front. There's plenty of space. This is the cabinetry I was telling you about. So it goes all the way down to here. There's like tons of space in here. That's all empty. Then we have our solar powered refrigerator and freezer. So this is from Dometic. They're a fantastic brand, super energy efficient, and they have the cooler and the freezer section. So ours has both a refrigerator and a freezer, which since I'm a food blogger is really important to me. One of the reasons that we finally just said, what are we doing? We have to get this fridge is because as a food blogger, brands are sending me products. We're buying items again that are not in plastic, and so I have almond milks that are stored in a cardboard container or some kind of post-consumer recycled container. They were rotting or disintegrating on a regular basis. I'd come in and the almond milk was all mixed in with the ice, and not to mention we're having to buy bags of ice which are in the plastic. You cannot find ice that's not in a plastic bag unless you like go scoop it from like a restaurant or something. So it's just something, it's a necessary purchase. It's expensive, but save up for it, make it part of your budget, add it in there so you don't have to worry about rotting food, melted food, soggy food, and it'll make your life a ton easier. The Dometic fridge was a big investment in the van, but completely necessary. We, for 5 months, figured, oh, a refrigerator is a luxury. It's not. You need a refrigerator. So we ditched the cooler, we finally got the Dometic, and we love this thing. Half of it is a freezer, half of it is a cooler. So in here, we have our refrigerator that's filled, again, with organic items, foods that are gonna heal our bodies, you know, condiments, coconut milk. We have some local beef we got from a farmer, veggies, and it stays really nice and cool. This is running off of solar right now. It's been cloudy all day, and it's at 33 degrees. Like, it's really cold. And then over here you have the freezer. This is at 14 degrees right now, and it's filled with cauliflower rice and chocolate. Because what else do you need? So it goes in pretty deep. Like, it's a pretty big space. We never run out of space in here. Well, our bed, in a normal house, it's like a pretty easy process to change the sheets, change the pillowcase, wash it. But since we don't have washing machines in the van, a lot of times we will wash our laundry at a beach shower or a river, and or a friend or an inviting stranger. So we will either use, again, the Branch Basics or the Dr. Bronner soap. We'll take it all off, and this mattress is like so heavy. So me and Tommy are both in here lifting it, trying to lift it up, and we change the sheets like what you're supposed to do like every 2 weeks, but we live in a van, so we strip it all down. We have the mattress here, and we have a mattress topper on top of it. So this thing alone, I am not even kidding, I think weighs like 40 pounds, and it's all wool, so it's kind of heavy. So once it's done and it's all clean, that's really the process of getting it back onto the bed. So me and Tommy have a team effort. I have a time-lapse video, and it's quite hysterical. Gilligan's jumping on the bed. He thinks it's his space to lay while we're trying to make it. We're holding it, we're underneath it, trying to lift it. But again, that's one of those necessary inconveniences of living in a van, and you can either get pissed about it, or you can say, I live in a van. What am I going to do? So the process of getting into the bed is also interesting. You have to climb up on the composting toilet to get up here. Once you're up here, you're in your sanctuary. It's quiet. This thing, that's another thing with pool, is it's soundproof. So there can be sirens. We parked by a fire station one night on accident. Couldn't hear any of the sirens